How to fix Instagram login error on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can fix the Instagram app's login error on iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're having issues with the Instagram application on your iPhone, this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing that you want to do is just go ahead and then launch the settings application. Go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then here on the list of these apps just search for Instagram. Tap on the offload app. Confirm the offload from the bottom of the screen, and then after that what you want to do is just go ahead and tap on reinstall button in order to see if that solves your problem. If this doesn't help solve your problem, then what you can try to do is just go ahead and launch your respective app store, and then in a search box you just want to go ahead and then simply type in Instagram. Verify if the Instagram app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. Sometimes this could also be happening due to your account issue. So to fix that, what you need to do is, if you're using Wi-Fi, simply try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, because that is simply going to change your IP address. As a result, if Instagram has banned your specific IP address, it could let you gain access back into your account. Now if that doesn't help as well, then the problem could also be with the incorrect credentials. So make sure that your credentials are actually correct. Open up Instagram, check your email, check your phone number. If you're signed up using phone number, then you can simply go ahead and log in with using your phone number, and so on. Hope this video helped you as to how you can fix the Instagram login error on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.